It's here. It's here. The brand new Nightwish single, Noise, is here today, and you can pre-order the album. It's out. The album's going to be coming out in April, but the official video and single release for this song is out, and I'm so excited to react to this. I've been waiting pretty much all week for this, and I saw the trailer. I saw that there is a trailer. I didn't watch it. I didn't watch the trailer. I also didn't click on any funny links on YouTube yesterday. I didn't click on any little sound clips that people tried to send me. I didn't click on any of it, so I haven't heard anything about this song yet. I'm so excited though. This is actually going to be the first Nightwish reaction that I've done that is a music video on this channel, so that's interesting too. But we're gonna get into this and check this out. I'm probably gonna pause it a couple of times along the way just as a disclaimer. I usually music videos and reactions don't go too well together, so I'll maybe pause it like 2 times and just kind of discuss what's happened so far. I don't know if it's amazing. I might end up pausing a little bit more, but let's just get into it and check it out. Let's make sure my volume is up. I'm so excited right now. You can tell, eh? Let's go. Okay, what's happening? Let's go. Wow. Woo-hoo. Marco's crazy, yeah? Okay. So, from the video so far, we're seeing that Tuomas is some sort of like environmentalist type guy. Floor is in with like the selfies and stuff. And Marco's like the supplement selling guy. So this looks like kind of like the stuff that happens in the world that is full of bullshit, right? Let's continue. This is amazing so far.
Please love me, see how I bleed. Please ensure I have such empathy in me. Power is harm, beautifully numb, deaf in the quiet air to have a meaning. Fire carry on, sad hologram, lost in the maze. The real and human feel. Sunset is free from this deity. The earth has a real voice. Go out and get in.
No, no, no. We gotta listen to that again. Do you guys hear the drums? Oh my goodness, I don't think I've ever heard drums that crazy in a Nightwish song before. This is so dark. It's so like dark opera style. I love this. Okay, let's. Okay, wow, that was a orgasm right there. I'll talk about it at the end. I'm not gonna keep pausing it. That was like that's a orgasm moment. Those drums. Let's go! Let's go! Wow! That was insane! You know what? I think I just kind of figured this thing out. Okay. Wow. Well, let's see if there's any more before we pause it. Wow, that was an absolute masterpiece. I don't know where to begin, really, to be honest. There's so much there to talk about. Let's start with the video, because obviously the video is part of the theme of the song, right? And so I think when they're talking about noise, they're talking about all the useless things within life, the noise within life, the stuff that you don't need but it's in your face everywhere. And so we saw that Tuomas was the environmentalist. He was the green kind of guy. He was kissing the animals, and he was by the trees and stuff. And then we had Floor was the mother taking photos of her and her child, and in the background there was like a beautiful picture of like scenery, but she wasn't actually there. She was in a dark, quiet, like really just empty room. And so I'm guessing that signifies the social media kind of aspect of it, like taking pictures of yourself where you're kind of faking your lifestyle, so to speak. There was the girl taking the selfies as well, and then there was like the Botox and all the other bullshit. There was Marco. He was like the kind of the snake oil salesman that has got like the pills for everything you need and the supplements and all that kind of stuff. And so they really portrayed what they wanted to within the world of noise, right? And so I think that's actually a really smart, really genius music video, and they played it so well. I think he was the king because of kind of like fantasy movies, like Game of Thrones style, that kind of thing. I think he was portraying that aspect of things. So yeah, that's that. The costumes were beautiful, by the way, as well. The costumes were really good. Okay, but the important thing is the music, right? I think from what I heard of that, there's different elements of the song. And so you have what I feel, this is obviously my personal opinion, right? So take this with a grain of salt. This is my first time listening, but it sounded like they took all the best or things that work the best from each era of music that they've done so far, and they kind of mashed them all together as one. And so you heard elements of like Once in there from the album Once. You heard elements of the Annette era, similar to like Storytime and just that kind of upbeat nature to it. You also heard some elements from darker stuff, and just there was also the floorgasm moment, which is going to be amazing live, by the way. I can tell. I don't know, did you guys notice that when you heard this song, that there's the floorgasm moment? There was two of them, actually. The first one, not as noticeable, but the second one was definitely noticeable. And I feel like what they've done is, in the last 5 years, obviously they've toured quite a lot since their last album, and it feels like they've kind of taken the best parts from the tours that they've done, and they've made it into the ultimate album, or I'm hoping so anyway, because that's what it sounds like. And it sounds like this is like a teaser of what's to come from the rest of the album, but of course the album is going to amplify each section of that. It was great. It was dark. It was heavy. The drums were insane. I've never heard drums like that in a Nightwish song. Like, it was just, the songwriting was fantastic. The vocals, just everything about it is, it's so new and different, but it's so Nightwish at the same time, because you heard towards the end there that they're taking a more darker, heavy kind of approach to it, and I think that's to signify kind of the new album. And you also had the elements of some of the previous songs, and it could just be the fact that that's the DNA of Nightwish writing, music writing, and so I could be looking too much into it there, but I love that there's a familiarity with the music, but they're also taking it a step further and bringing it into a new direction. And who knows what we're going to expect. It's going to be absolutely mind-blowing, I feel. But yeah, that's kind of my opinions on it. I thought this was absolutely amazing. This could end up probably being the best album yet, because it sounds like they're taking all their experience from the previous albums, and they're really honing in on the parts that make Nightwish so special and so much fun to watch. And just, yeah, I don't know. I feel like I'm rambling now. So, guys, if you like this, please give it a thumbs up. That would be much appreciated. And I will see you guys next time. Let me know what you thought of this song. And obviously, I'm going to listen to this a lot more. And so in the upcoming days, I might be able to be like, oh no, what I said there was wrong, or what I said there is right, and go further into it. And there could be stuff that I missed that you guys picked up. If that's the case, I'm interested in that too, obviously. And maybe I picked up some stuff that you guys missed. Who knows? But this is our first time hearing this song, so it was fantastic, though. I absolutely loved it. I will see you guys next time. Nightwish Army, you guys are beautiful. Stay safe. Enjoy the rest of your night. And I will see you guys in the comments below. Peace.